Good morning, students. So, now we will discuss another important topic in business statistics, that is index numbers. In index numbers, so these price index numbers are very important. So, price index numbers, price index numbers can be calculated. So, with the help of various methods. So, here we discuss about those three methods. So, last pair price index, Passe price index, and the Fisher price index. Three methods. Under those three methods, how the price indexes is calculated, that we will discuss now. So, in the question, they will give some commodities and their prices and quantities will be given. So, 2 years will be given. So 1980 and 1990. Here in this question, two years are given. In 1980, for these commodities, how the prices were there, how much quantities consumer they purchased, that is given. Here in the 1990 also, the prices are given and the quantities are also given. So based on these details, we have to calculate those price index numbers. So here, in the given 2 years, 1 year, so here it is given 1980 and 1990. So 1980 will be in these 2 years, 1980 will be the base year, and whatever the year is latest year, that will be that we should take it as a present year. So here in these 2 years, so 1980 is the old year, this is the present year, latest year. So this year should be taken as a present year, this year should be taken as a base year. So here 1980 is the base year and this will be the present year. So like that we should take here base year price we should denote as P0. Base year prices we should denote by P0 and base year quantities we should denote as Q0. Like that, present year prices we should denote as P1 and present year quantities we should denote as Q1. Like that, we should denote with these terms the price and quantities of base year, that should be denoted by P0 and Q0, and the price and quantities of the present year, that should be denoted by P1 and Q1. So like that we should that should be denoted. After that, so there are various formulas are given by those people, the last year, Passe and Fisher Fisher, they have given the various price index number. The last year he has given here the price index is denoted by P01. P01. So last year has given the formula to find out the price index is summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So that is a formula given by last pair. With that formula, he constructed the price index. The second person Passe, so here in this formula, if you see, he has taken the base year quantities. In this formula, he has taken the base year quantities. But the second person, he constructed the price index. So here price index, that should be denoted by P01. Here, he constructed the price index based on the present year quantities. So here it will be Q0. Why? Because he constructed the price index based on the base year quantities. But here the second person Passe constructed the price index based on the present year quantities. So here in this formula there will be Q1 and Q1. So into 100. So these are the formulas used to construct the price index numbers and the last pair and the Passe method. So as per that formula, whatever the terms we need, here we need to calculate this, we need P1 Q0, P0 Q0. Those terms we have to prepare the columns for those terms. So here there for the first term is P1 Q0, second one term is P0 Q0. Like that, that is the two columns we should prepare to find out the price index for last pay method. So P1 Q0 P0 Q0. Here P1 that should be multiplied with Q0. So here so it will be 40 into 3 or else 8 into 40, it will be 320 P1 into Q0. So the second one is 10 into 60, it will be 600. The next one is 15 into 50. It will be 750. 750. So next is 20 into 20, 400. So that is the P1 Q0 values we calculated, and we should do the total for this summation we should do. So the total value will be 320 plus 600 plus 750 plus 400. So total will be 2070. 2070. Like that. So second term for the denominator also we should calculate the values. Second term P0 Q0. So here P0 Q0, these two terms we should multiply. So 20 into 8. So 160. So next is 500. So next is 40 into 15. 600. So next is 400. 20 into 20. 400. So for this also we should do the summation. So 160 plus 500 plus 600 plus 400. So it will be 1660. The summation will be. So to calculate the price index under last pay method, so these two columns are enough. So these two columns, the total value that we should apply in the formula. So here summation P1 Q0. The total of P1 Q0 is 2070 divided by P0 Q0. P0 Q0 total 1660 into 100. So if you calculate that, you will get the value. So 2070 divided by 1660 into 100. So it will be 124.69. So that is the price index number under the last pay method. Next, under partial method, the price to find out the price index, these two columns we should calculate: P1 Q1, P0 Q1. So two columns we should calculate: P1 Q1, P0 Q1. So P1 Q1, P1 is here, Q1 column is here. Those two things we should multiply. 40 into 6, 240. So next will be 60 into 5, 300. Next 50 into 15, 750. So next value is 20 into 25, that is equal to 500. So we should do the total. So total will be 240 plus 300 plus 750 plus 500. So it will be 1790. So next column also should prepare P0, Q1. So P0 is here, Q1 is there. So those two things we should multiply. So first one is 20 into 6, 120. The second one is 50 into 5. So 250. So next is 40 into 15. 600. Next 20 into 25. 500. So these things we should add. So 120 plus 250 plus 600 plus 500. So total will be 1470. So these values we should apply in the Paasche formula. Paasche has constructed the price index with these terms P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. Here P1 Q1, summation of P1 Q1 is 1790. Summation of P0 Q1 is 1470 into 100. So it will be 1790 divided by 1470 into 100. So it will be 121.76. 1790 divided by 1470. So it will be 121.76. That is the price index as per Paasche method. So next is Fisher price index method. So this is a very important method. So here Laspe has taken the base year quantities, whereas Paasche has taken the present year quantities. So Fisher has constructed the price index by taking both the quantities. He constructed the price index. So for that formula is, so under root, so summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into 100. 100. So like that, both the, so here it will be multiplication. So by Fisher has constructed the price index by taking both the quantities, base year quantities and present year quantities, and for those two quantities we should calculate the root so that we will get the price index. So this is the ideal index and most usually used price index that is given by the Fisher. Okay. So here under root summation P1 Q0, already those terms we use in Laspe method. So summation of P1 Q0 will be 2070 divided by 160 into, so P1 Q1 total is here 1790 divided by 1470 into 100. So here if you divide these two things you will get 2070 divided by 1660. We will get 1.246 into so 1790 divided by 1470. You will get 1.217 into 100. So if we construct this, if we expand this, then we should find out under root 1.246 into 1.217. So we will get 1.516 into 100. So that is equal to, for this value we should find out under root, then you will get 1.231 into 100, that is equal to, so it will be 123.1. So like that we should calculate the price index under Fisher method. So these are the three important price indexes that are used in statistics. So last pay price index, past pay price index, and Fisher price index. So these are the three important price indexes that are used in the statistics. Okay, so that is of the index number, price index numbers that are given by three methods. So in this way we can calculate price indexes as per these three methods: last pay, Paasche, and Fisher price indexes. So these are the three important methods to construct the price indexes in the statistics. So that is the topic for today. Thank you.